Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you a jailbreak tweak that allows you to hack any Wi-Fi network near you. This method is fully supported on the latest iOS 18 running on iPhones. And the best part? No jailbreak is needed. You can install this tweak using the alt-store sideload method, and it's fully compatible with iOS 18 and later versions. Let's see how I hacked a Wi-Fi network. First, you need to download the Wi-Fi Network Hacker IPA from the Penguin iOS 18 page. Open the web browser and type iOS 18 jailbreak and visit the Penguin iOS 18 jailbreak page. Now, download the IPA file and move it to your desktop. Now, you need to download the sideloadly on your PC to continue the process. I am using a sideloadly tool. It is very easy for me. I have already installed the sideloadly on my Windows computer. Important, make sure your iPhone is connected to your PC during this step. Then drag and drop the IPA file into sideloadly. Enter your Apple Idaho and password to sync your iPhone with PC. Oh, it looks like there's an error. It seems my Apple Idaho is blocked or revoked by Apple. No worries. Let me try sideloading the IPA again. This is a common issue where Apple IDs get temporarily blocked by Apple's servers. If your Apple Idaho is still not working, check out the comment section where we've listed some fresh Apple IDs you can try. And if you're still having trouble, drop a comment and I'll provide you with a new Apple ID. Great. My Apple Idaho is working now and the sideload process has started. Once it's done, open the app from your home screen. Wait for the Wi-Fi network search to complete. Tap any Wi-Fi network to hack. See? It's happening. Copy the Wi-Fi password. Open the network settings and paste the code. Now I'm connected to Wi-Fi. If you enjoyed my video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more content.